Hello YouTube team, I am submitting this appeal because I believe that my channel was incorrectly identified for deceptive content because I made mostly videos by myself and my channel URL is youtube.com my point of at the rate of my point of view 429. So I made videos by myself, simply original videos in which I show my face, my narration is very correct, my point of view, because my originally content based on the Urdu language for my Pakistani target audience. My mostly videos are daily basis like vlogs. I am making vlogs about my life routine and also what's trending topics going in Pakistan like news, cricket and etc. So I made simply genuine content in which I show my own face. Previous I made some videos which I never show my face, but when my narration and my editing was totally pure and original. And also I edit my all the videos on CapCut, like you are doing this video I am editing on my CapCut. You can see my channel dashboard too, because from previous years I made originally content. And I hope my this video will be good for you, and you reconsider my channel, because I really work hard for creating my own content based on the what's going in the trending topics, and my research mostly from YouTube, Google and Facebook, what's the news, and also like cricket and any other thing. I collect information from chat GPT, cricket, news and Facebook too. Then I make a video by showing myself, by pointing my narration, and then I edit in CapCut on my videos, and then simply after editing I upload on the YouTube. I made just thumbnails from chat GPT sometimes, and sometimes I made by myself. So this is not a YouTube policy violation. So I hope you understand my feelings. I really sad, and I really hope for the best from YouTube team, because you can reconsider my channel, and uh, please pay back and also monetize my channel, because I made genuinely original content and I really work hard for that. So please, you can check each and everything, my videos, my channel dashboards, and my videos are original. You can see in this video I made my original videos, short videos, long videos, including vlogs, daily news, daily updates, what's going on in Pakistan, about politics, cricket, and about in my life. So each and everything, especially motivational videos based on short videos, I also made for this. So please consider my appeal, and I really hope for best from YouTube team if you consider and see my content is original. Also, my viewers are low, my views are low in my recent videos, but I really try my best and working hard for that, to engage people more and more. So please try to understand my feelings, and I hope I follow each and every YouTube policies. So that's why I'm showing my face in my previous videos too. So hope for the best.